my review of the legends, Jim the Anvil Neidhart and Bret Hart, two legends we will be reviewing today. First we'll be going over Bret Hart. He has white wrist tape on both of his wrists, left arm and right arm, left wrist and right wrist. This is his face. He has black hair in the back, pink tights, a black stripe going down his leg, and a white star on his boots with black laces and pink design on his boots and black paint on his boots. It's Bret Hart, the legendary Bret Hart, the best there was, the best there is, and the best there ever will be, Bret Hart. We got Jim the Anvil Neidhart, Natalia's father, the action figure of Jim the Anvil Neidhart. This is Jim the Anvil Neidhart, Natalia's father, aka Natalia's dad. Now, here's the same attire as the same outfit as Bret Hart, and wearing the same outfit. Same wrist tape as Bret Hart. Same tights as Bret Hart. Same black line going down the tights as Bret Hart, but not that black, not the black tie-up laces thing, but the boot tie-up lines, laces that you can tie up the boots with. He has white laces, pink design inside the laces, and his boots are white. Now I don't know what this design is on the boots, so we're gonna go on. There's white boots, pink design in the back, pink in front, and white lace. And this is his face, Jim the Anvil Neidhart. He's ready for action, but he looks like a little bit like the Big Boss Man, so I can hardly doubt, but he's not. He has a big goatee, and right now, that's Jim the Anvil Neidhart. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our video for more video and episodes, because we have not been doing any more videos because it's been off and on. But we've been returning to videos. We're going to be returning in August and including next year. Bam.